Good morning. Sparky Sparks here. I have new hair. Oh my goodness. I am out on my patio and just enjoying a nice warm cup of coffee, and I want to share this new hair with you. Oh my gosh. Can we say serious? Can we say sophisticated? Oh my goodness. Before we get started, let's talk about some housekeeping. First of all, let's connect. So push the subscribe button right down there on the bottom, and then we'll be connected. Subscribe means follow in this world. So I'd like to be connected to you. So let's get connected. And so subscribe to my channel and I'll stay connected, and you'll be up to date on all things in this world with me. So excited about this year. So many things, good things are happening, and I want you to come along with me. So if you're seeing me for the very first time, this is new hair for me. I review wigs and share a lot that's going on in my life. So this is a new wig for me by Ellen Wille, and the style name is Prima Soft, and the shade is Dark Sand Shadow. So if you're looking for a short style, this could be your girl. I think it's very sophisticated. I love how in this jacket my eyes kind of pop. And let me show you the back. I'm sitting out on my patio, so we're not walking around today. Here we go. Here's the back. Now we're gonna take a tour of the inside in just a minute. But again, I wanna make sure we're connected. So my website is here as well. Join my newsletter and join me on this great experience with wigs and how it's changed my life, and how I hope to change and impact your life as well. So let's take an inside view or an inside tour of this short style. Loving her. All right, so we'll take her off, and she came a long way, so we're gonna shake her out to get any loose fibers. That's what I'd like you to do when you get her out of the box. So we're gonna turn it inside out. Now this is a hand-tied cap. So there's no wefts. Those are those lines that you see where the hair is tied in. This is all hand tied. So it's very breathable, and say that 3 times, right? And you can see my fingers through here. The front is lace front here from temple to temple, which is about here. So you can see that. Soft ear tabs on the sides. And in the back, we have fasteners here. And these are Velcro, so you just lift them and move them over. This is a tag that's very pesky. So with a short wig, I would recommend you either cut it so it can't hang below the nape, or take it off completely. I like to keep it and put the name of the wig on there so that I know when I'm looking for the wig, or if I've lumped it in with a bunch of wigs when I'm traveling, I know which one it is if somebody asks me. But I would recommend you take this off, because I was caught, and I'll tell you a quick story. I was at the gym. Yes, I work out in my wigs, and my tag, I guess, had come out as I pulled down the back. And as I did so, my trainer kept saying to me, "Your tag is showing, your tag." Or he said, your tag. And I thought, what does that mean? Is that code for you're doing well? And he pointed to the tag, and I thought, oh great, my tag's hanging out. So luckily I have a great trainer. Anyway, so I digress. Let's get back to the wig. So we have the wig here. If you're brand new to wearing wigs, first thing we're gonna do is we're going to hold our thumbs here on the back of the wig, and we're gonna dive our forehead into this part where the lace is. And what I like to think about is landing the lace here on my forehead, not trying to hit my hairline, but right here on my forehead. So we're gonna dive in and pull it back. And as we do so, we're gonna make sure all the hair is out in the back, so you can see how I've done that. Now, you can also see that this isn't on properly. It looks kind of cray-cray, right? So we're gonna take the ear tabs and adjust the ear tabs so that they're across from each other. And hairstylists, you've seen that when they pull the hair down to measure, that's how it feels. So and I like how that happened. So we're just gonna pull it back. Now you can see I have 4 fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, about to my hairline. Now, my hairline is not there, and you know that because you saw me take the wig off. So, excuse me. So we've adjusted it. Now you can, because it's all hand tied, we can move this part to either side, and just by simply combing the wig with our fingers. Look at that. So it looks a little different. This is normally where I part my hair or my wigs, but we can smooth it out like this, make it look a little more piecey. We don't, and this is without product, ladies. This is just using my fingers. It looks really good. So we're just doing this, and I'm just working with the camera. So it's really great. Now, if you have any questions, I'm here to help you. You can either ask here in the comment section, or you can click over to my website. I do have a link here. If you are interested in this wig, use my link and it'll take you into wigs.com, where you can purchase the wig. So again, this is by Ellen Wille. It's called Prima Soft, and the color is dark sand shaded. Let's see the back again. Really pretty. I love how it goes on the nape, right? I love this. Very pretty, not too short. I think very sophisticated, and I'd love to hear your thoughts. I'd love to know what you think. So remember, subscribe. That's that little button down there. Let's be friends. Let's join together and tackle this wigs situation together. Love it. Hope you have a great day. Cheers. Mwah.